Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. This year, 2024, the Salesian family around the world celebrates the 200th anniversary of a dream. Not just any dream, but that of 9 years in which Jesus and the Madonna showed Giovanni Bosco what his vocation was: to transform kids in difficulty into good kids. Giovanni Bosco had this dream in the house where he lived with his mother, his 2 brothers and his grandmother. His father died when he was only 2 years old. To commemorate this anniversary, the Salesians of Pindamonhangaba in the Brazil Sao Paulo province are building a replica of Don Bosco's childhood home. In the second half of 2023, more than 1,600 students attending the Don Bosco high schools in Ngozi and Butore in Burundi had access to better nutrition, thanks to a partnership between Salesian Missions, the Salesian Mission Office of New Rochelle in the United States, and Rise Against Hunger, an international humanitarian organization that is growing a global movement to end hunger. Burundi is one of the poorest countries in the world, with a population that faces high levels of food insecurity due to the political and economic situation, poor agricultural production, and rapid population growth. Fuel shortages also make it difficult to transport goods. From 1st to 4th of April, the 19th Inspectoral Chapter of the Salesian Province of Croatia will be celebrated in Peit at the premises of the Don Bosco Catholic School Center. The chapter is attended by 26 Salesians with the right to vote from all the provincial provinces, as well as 2 Salesians without the right to vote, a student from Rome and a priest from one of the 4 Catholic missions for the Croatians in Germany. The current inspector, Father Tihomir Sutalo, presides over the chapter in the presence also of the newly appointed superior, Father Milan Ivancevic, who will be installed on 15 June 2024. At the beginning of the proceedings, there were greetings from some guests of the Salesian family present online, and in presence the capitulars greeted the mayor and the parish priest of Zepsi. In the evening of the first day of the octave of Easter, with the singing of the Veni Creator and the official opening by the President, Don Stefano Expectati, Superior of the Salesian Circumscription Sacred Heart of Central Italy (ICC), the VI Provincial Chapter has begun. The chapter assembly, made up of 98 people, including invited Salesians and lay people, met in the San Luigi Versigliglia Welcome Home in Genzano di Roma, where they will remain until Saturday 6th April to experience what is the moment of highest co-responsibility in the life of an inspectorate. The day is led by the regulator, Don Michelengo Desi, will be marked by moments of prayer and times of assembly and commission work, whose methodology this year will be inspired by the spiritual conversations that animated the synodal assembly of the church. The Salesian province of India Tiruchi INT celebrates a double milestone this year, the 25th anniversary, 1999 to 2024, and its 9th provincial chapter. From 2nd to 6th of April at the Inspectorate House of the Salesians in Chennai, 69 Salesians, 5 members of the Salesian family, and 3 theology students gathered for an event focused on reflection, discussion, and deliberation. The central theme of the provincial chapter is the theme of the next GC29, Passionate for Jesus Christ, dedicated to young people, for faithful and prophetic experience of our Salesian vocation. The inaugural Mass was presided over by Monsieur George Anthony Same, Archbishop of Madras, Melapur, who in his homily underlined the salient aspects of the Salesian mission. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.